Good morning, everyone. So, today I'm gonna ask some questions about mining. So, I'm here with.
Julian po.
Alec Legaspi.
So, first question is, can you describe a typical day in the life of a miner?
Mining is really risky and it's very dangerous because as we go underground, we never know if the land could collapse on us. And when it comes to daily income, it's not that great, but since we have no choice, we do it to survive.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. So, next is, what specific skills or training are required for your job?
As a miner, you really have to be strong. Your endurance has to be high because you cannot get tired easily because it's more of a physical job, and you also need to be brave because, as I said earlier, it is really dangerous, really risky, and you also need to be hardworking because, as I said earlier again, the income is not that great. You need to keep working every single day to get money. That's all.
Okay, so thank you for that. So, third question is for Alec. What's the most challenging part of working in a mine?
Well, as a miner, I would like to say that while it is an extremely physical job, it is also something that is very mentally draining. The dark, the dust, and the many dangers like the cave collapsing on you, and the rigorous conditions and environment are not for normal people. So in order to even stay in there for such long hours and for such little pay, you need to have a strong mental will.
So, thank you. So, next is, what types of equipment do you use daily?
Well, of course, we use many types of drilling equipment, some excavators, shovels, and blasting equipment, but most importantly, personal protective equipment to keep ourselves safe. But I would like to say that the most important tool in a mine is our hands. Without proper strong hands, you can never really do anything in a mine because it's not easy.
So, thank you for that.